everybody, it's Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and shall we transform a can of peaches in syrup into a peach sorbet using your Ninja Creami?
First, let me explain to you who we are. If you're new around here, my name is Sam and I've been teaching people how to cook smart with just kitchen gadgets for over 10 years. In fact, we don't even have an oven or a hob in our kitchen. We are double Sunday Times bestsellers and The Independent calls us the best for beginner cooks. But because we've been creating videos for a while, we've ended up with more than 1,500 recipe videos on our YouTube channel. So what we have done is we have created a recipe index organised by gadget to help you quickly find your next recipe video. You can find them all at KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, and we would be honoured if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel for more recipe videos like this. So now let's get back to the food.
If you're new to your Ninja Creami, you might not know that one of the best hacks of it is the fact that you can add a can of fruit that's been preserved in syrup into one of your ice cream cups, freeze it, and then the next day transform it into a delicious sorbet. It's a great one because there's no prep, it's a one ingredient recipe, it's so easy to do, it's just the waiting 24 hours for the results that might drive you a little bit crazy. So if you've not been following our other videos, we've done quite a few now for the Ninja Creami. It's part of our summer season of ice cream on a Sunday, and we're absolutely loving delivering these recipes for you. We've started off with the base recipes, some simple ice creams, and then as part of our sorbet series, we've already done a mango sorbet from a can, we've done a fruit cocktail from a can, which we thought was so much better, and now it's the turn of the peach. So we have got a can of Del Monte peach slices in a light syrup. So shall we do this? So grab out your ice cream cup and pour in your syrup and all your peach segments. Load it all in, get rid of any dribbles. Press it down a bit in case it's past the max line. And look, this can perfectly fits this size. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Have a look at the can size there and look at where the max line is. They're just perfect and meant to be together. So now I'm going to pop this into the freezer and I will see you in 24 hours. So, a day later, I am back 24 hours later. Well, a little bit more than 24 hours, but you know, that's the minimum time, isn't it? And we have our fruit. So, are we going to do a peach sorbet? This sounds really good, doesn't it? So, lid off. And then this is what it looks like. I think it looks really good. So now, you want to pop it in to your ice cream jug. And then we're going to head over to the Ninja Creami and see what happens when we press the sorbet button. So let's do this. We have our lid waiting for us there. So let's pop the lid on. And wait for that click. And then once you hear the click, it can go on. And then you want to click it so it goes all the way around so it's in its sturdy position. You want to turn it on and you want to press sorbet.
Let me introduce you to Kitchen Gadgets Club. We recommend joining it because it's brilliant for kitchen gadget recipes with step-by-step photos. It's got lots of easy recipes. You can join for as little as £1 a week. It has a library of over 1,000 plus kitchen gadget recipes, and we add 4 new exclusive recipes every single week. Here are just a few of the recipes. Each recipe has both metric and imperial, step-by-step photographs, plenty of useful kitchen gadget advice from experts. Just take a look at some of the photographs. And of course, you can join by heading to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/join. And now, shall we get back to the food?
And it's done. So let's check on it, shall we? So you want to press release. And then let's get that lid off, shall we? Oh wow, another sorbet. So, shall we go and see what this is like? So, let's see this, shall we? Close up. So that is the peach. And, you know, when I look down the sides, it looks like not all of it's blended. So let me check. It's just the odd bit that's stuck to the edge, but really not much. It's really done a good job. So let's try some, shall we? That is really, really nice. If you like peaches, this is good. This is just going to be my pot of it. There's nobody else in the house who likes them apart from me. That is nice. It's nice and thick as well. Not bad. Not bad at all. So if I was to rate them, I've done a few of these canned ones so far. I would still say the fruit cocktail is the nicest. But this peach one is really, really good. And I prefer the peach one over the mango. I'll definitely say that. So if you have got some canned fruit lying around, why don't you give it a try? Thanks for watching, and now you've seen a glimpse into our ovenless world. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is what I call one of our step-by-step instruction videos. If you would rather have short and sweet, don't forget to check out our shorts. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. And if you want to find videos quickly, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/YouTube, you can see an A to Z list of all our YouTube videos, so you can find videos by Kitchen Gadget. And I'll see you again soon.